Hi, as I have told you earlier, this course is primarily for beginners, people who have just begun trading in futures and options, or those who want to begin trading in futures and options. But though this course is for the beginners, there are certain prerequisites. You should know these prerequisites before you actually take up the course. And the first thing is that you should have a fair knowledge of futures and options. You should know what futures and options are. Without that, the course will have no meaning for you. Secondly, you should also have a fair knowledge of candlestick charts or candlestick patterns or some technical analysis. That is because before you formulate a strategy, you need to form an opinion about the market or about the derivative, whether the price is likely to go up or likely to go down or remain neutral. And to form that opinion, knowledge of candlestick charts or candlestick patterns or technical analysis is very essential. And number three, which is the most important, is that you should have a very high degree of trading discipline, a control over yourself, self-control to remain away from greed and fear. This is very, very important. And then please also remember that it does not matter in which country you are, in what currency you are trading, and on which platform you are trading. As long as you understand the concept and the logic behind the strategies, then those concept and logic remain the same across the globe. And before we begin, let me also caution you, or rather warn you, that trading in futures and options involve financial risk. The purpose of formulating strategies is not to maximize your profits, but to limit your losses. Before you take up a trade, you may not know how much your profits would be. That could be unlimited. But for a good trader, it is very essential to know that if the trade goes wrong or against your analysis, then how much would be the maximum possible loss? You should form a strategy and work out the maximum loss in the worst case, and then enter into the trade only if you have the strength to withstand that loss. Now, just in case you are interested in learning about futures, options, and candlestick patterns before enrolling for this course on strategies, then I would like to tell you that I have these three courses on Udemy. At the moment, when I am recording this lesson, the first two courses are in the highest rated category. But if you intend to enroll, then please check the current status at the time of enrolling. I would also like to tell you that it is not necessary or not mandatory that you enroll for my courses. You can enroll for courses from any other good instructor. The only point which I am trying to make clear is that before enrolling for this course on strategies, you must have a reasonable knowledge about futures, options, and candlestick patterns. I would not like you to accidentally enroll for this course without possessing these prerequisites. So I hope that point is clear and we can begin now.